What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Lamborghini video. We finally got our radiator ducts in, so I'm gonna go ahead and install those. Right after those, I'm gonna hop onto the side skirts and get those installed too, so let's go.
Dang. What'd you do?
Tipped it
So
over.
what I did, basically tried sliding underneath the semi-truck trailer like they do in the movies. Do not try it. It doesn't work.
Hurts too, huh? It's fake.
Yeah, it doesn't work. It's fake. It's fake.
It's a scam, huh?
It's a scam. Yeah. So.
So I choke you down just like a pill.
Alright guys, I finally got the air vents inside. Now all we have left to do is the side skirts, front bumper, and the mud guards. The front bumper and mud guards, we are going to do it after alignment. I don't really want to scratch up the bottom of the bumper whenever we're pulling it up onto the alignment rack. So yeah, let's get to the side skirts.
Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Roman, this build's coming to an end. How do you feel?
Sad. Sad that happened.
What's next?
What's next? That is a good question. Stay tuned.
Alright guys, so we found out one problem. So both of the doors, they have a little light on the bottom. So basically when you open the door, it's supposed to shine like the Lamborghini logo, right? Lamborghini logo or something. Yeah, basically we saw in the previous video on YouTube of the previous owner, Mike. So we noticed that, and then we actually did not notice it on ours. So we just kind of did a little bit of investigation. We looked underneath and both lights are missing from both doors. So I guess that's another thing that they took off on Copart. So yeah, basically a few things they removed on Copart, they basically took for themselves. So yeah, we don't know who did it, but whoever did it in LA. Alright guys, we installed the air ducts on that side. We installed the side skirts. So what I want to do right now actually is take it outside, give a few revs, maybe do some launches, I don't know. Let's go actually, because we haven't took the car outside yet, we haven't drove it yet on camera. So it's dark outside, but whatever, I can't wait. So
Just send it.
We're gonna send it. Dude. I can't wait. Let's go. I can't wait. Do not mind the airbag. We're actually getting the new airbag in tomorrow. So we're gonna install that once it comes. But check this out. We got the screen working, everything. Look at that. It looks. Look at that. Zoom in to that. Zoom into that.
Go ahead, start it.
Up. Alright, I'm gonna pull the car out and we're gonna take it for a spin.
Go, 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 go. You're good. Go. Careful.
It's nice. It's nice.
Ooh. So that Up in.
How fast did we go?
I have no idea. I can't focus on it. I don't know how fast we're going.
That's enough for today.
Let's park this thing before. Let's just park this thing. I can't. Hey, I can never ever own a car like this. I can't, cause
You sit behind it, you just want to hit the pedal.
I'm gonna wrap this thing around the tree. I can't.
Now you know why Dave always gets pulled over.
I'm gonna stay away from that car. Alright guys, we're gonna call it a night. We started late and it's already late. So tomorrow what we're gonna do is we're gonna get new tires for it. We're gonna go to the alignment place. We're gonna balance the new tires, the wheels, and we're gonna get the alignment done. So we'll just catch you guys tomorrow.
What's up guys, welcome back to another day. The Lamborghini is finally coming to an end. I'm about to put the forged carbon lip onto the bumper. Then we're gonna put the bumper onto the car. And our next step is the alignment. So let's get to work guys. Guys, we finally got the front bumper onto the car. We got the gaps adjusted nicely. We are on our way to the alignment shop right now, and we also purchased new tires for the Lambo. We got all 4 of them in here. We got the fender liner, the undershield. So let's go put those on. What side's gonna put on?
Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now.
Alright guys, we got the car on the lift. First thing we're gonna do is change the hub assembly, put in the new bearing, and then we're gonna get to the new tires and alignment, balance the wheels, make it all nice and straight on the road. So yeah, let's get to it.
Sometimes I wonder, will we be around to see forever on the silver cloud? Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubts, 'cause you keep me.
Check this out. Check this out. It's not all. Boom. Follow us on Instagram.
Someone has OCD.
Alright guys, we finally got the hub assembly on. We did take off both of the front wheels and we're about to go throw the new tires onto them and balance them.
Alright guys, this is our current alignment situation. So as you can see, the numbers over here, the camber it's off, the caster is off, the toe is off, same as the rear, camber, toe, all of this good stuff. So we got a lot of work to do, so let's make this alignment perfect. Alright guys, we're done with the alignment. You can see right here, everything went from red to green. So everything's where it needs to be. So it's perfect. Now the car's going. Yeah, so we balanced the wheels, new tires, alignment's done. So that's all complete. And yeah, let's hit the streets.
Alright guys, check out the car. It's fully completed. Alignment, tires. We got all the gaps set. The car is ready to go. This is actually going to be it for today's video. We're going to end it here. So stay tuned for what's next. I hope you guys liked this video. So please like, comment, share, subscribe. And if you haven't, follow us on Instagram at Foreign Builds.